explain to you how I created this car. This is my concept car for my game that I'm trying to create. So if you want it, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. So first, I downloaded the background image, the reference image. I downloaded it in the internet. So for now, I'm gonna add a cube. So I'm gonna add a cube. The reason I'm adding a cube, I'm trying to get the scale, the height, and the width of the car, so that when I put my reference on the side view will be aligned with the front view, and then the top view will be aligned with both front and side and the back. So as you can see, I just extruded it on the side so that I'll get like the height of the car. I mean like the width of the car. So now that I added like a plane, and then I deleted the other side, and then I added a mirror modifier, so that whatever I'm doing on the other side happens on the other side. This will save you like most time, and then like mostly you're gonna use it almost like every time when like you modding something. So right now I'm creating like a top of the car. As you can see, I'm adding loops so that when when I extrude in the right points on my reference. So like I'm trying like to align them. For now, like I'm doing some sort of blocking. I'll say I'm just blocking my model here. So you see, like I'm switching sides. I've opened like a top view, and then I've opened a side view, so that I'm gonna edit on the top, and then I'm gonna edit on the side, because like the shape, the angle, you need like to get them on both sides. You can't like work with one side. Like you need to shift in like in many views. So like I prefer like opening at least 2 or 3, so that like your work will be much easier. So now like I'm just getting the shape. I'm just like trying to get a shape of the car. This thing like takes time, so like you need to take your time, because if you miss anything here, and then like you're gonna have a problem. Like the more you add loops, the more it become more complicated. You're gonna have problems. Like for now, you need to make sure your blocking is perfectly aligned, so that when you add more, loop cuts would be much easier to understand. Okay, this is this. See that you see I'm extruding on the top view, and then I'm extruding on the side view. On top, I'm extruding along the x-axis, and then on the side I'm extruding on the z-axis. You see it's work, like they both work like together. So this is why I prefer opening these 2 lines. You see I'm rotating, and you see like I'm picking edges. You see, because they are not the same in both sides. You see like the way they are. So yeah, if you need this model here, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You can get it like for like $2, $3, depends on the discount. So if you wanna play along with it, if you wanna use this in your projects and everything, yeah. So for now, I'm trying to create like a body kit. See, like I'm changing from wireframe mode just to get more detail on my reference, both in front and side. You see, I'm changing my viewport into 3D, and then I shift back into 2D, so that I'll get like where I should like align. You see, so I need to pull them in. You see, they are straight, so I need to pull them in. So I need to change from front to side view. So for now, I added like A cylinder is gonna help me to get like a diameter, an opening of an arc, and then I'm gonna use a boolean modifier to cut that arc, so this will be like in the right diameter will be neatly like aligned, to clean, so that's when I'm adding more look cut, I'll be able like to see what I'm doing. So like just have fun when you're creating this, guys. It's all about fun. It's not about you need to be good. No, guys. Like Blender, it's a free software. You can do anything you want. I'm not here to judge. Like you have your own concepts. I have my own concepts. Like for example, this is like VW MK1 model, a reference. So for me, like I'm just taking like a body shape, the way they've designed it, and then like I'm gonna create my own concepts. For example, GTA games. You've seen GTA games like they have like similar cars with cars that we've seen almost every time. So like they take the design and then they will create their own version. So this is what I'm doing here. It's much faster. I'm not good on coming with like sketch of cars, but yeah, I'm good on this. So yeah, so now right now you see like so fast. Why did I make it faster? I don't know why did I make it this faster. I guess I was streaming, guys. Like this took me for like I don't know, like let me check it. Yeah, for like two. No, it's not two. It's 2:59. It's 2:59. It's 2:59. So it's like 3 hours. I spent like 3 hours creating this. So I kind of upload like a 3 hours video. I was streaming, so like there's me there. So to show that I was streaming. If you wanna watch my streams, you can check my Kick Ignition City CGI. I have a Kick account where I stream almost like everything that I do. So you can check it out if you wanna learn more. Like I respond to comments if you wanna ask something and everything. So yeah. Or if you find this time consuming and everything, like you can check my website. Like you can check my Patreon page. You can check my CG Trader. I have cool stuff. I got like shanty houses, dribbles, cars, you name it. Anything that is like dirt, rusty. Yeah, like it's my concept in 3D. It's the reason that I joined 3D. Like I was inspired like with dirt, and then I learned more of my techniques from a guy named Ian Hubert. I saw him on YouTube, so just go check him out too. Very good guy, very tutor. Just check his tutorials, guys. They will help you a lot. So for now, you see now I'm like you see I'm just like taking like loops. Like for example, you see I'm taking loops now. Like I'm tracing like a background. See, just taking duplicate. See, just pasting and everything. Just funny techniques. Nothing hard here, guys. Just see, it's just a simple editing. Nothing like big that you can do. You need to add look cards when needed. You can't just add loop cards. Like for example, like you're gonna extrude and then you're gonna add loops. Like you need to add loops when needed. Like for example, if you say like okay, you need to create some shape here, you're gonna add a loop there and then you're gonna create shape. You see now like my shape, I found my shape, so like I'm creating all the kit stuff. You see, just the first that's the first thing, guys. Now is the windows. See now like I'm just dragging deleting some loops, and then I'm adding using a knife tool. So you can check my previous tutorials. I have like a tutorial showing explaining like a full detail on how like I create my stuff. So see now, or so here in this one, this is my technique. I learned it from Ian Hubert again, to use like images when texturing. But from him, like he taught me like see like to use images. For me, like I taught myself like to reduce using like lots of nodes. Like you see, when like say for example, a texture is too bright, but you wanna use that texture, like you're gonna end up like adding like a brightness node, a contrast node, highlight node, a curve node. Like you see, like a lot of nodes seem like mixing. You trying to like reduce that brightness. But for me, like I just import an image. I just create a new image on Photoshop. In 8K image, I create an 8K image, and then and then I import that image that I wanna use in on my 3D, and then I'm gonna edit everything, exposure, color, saturation, contrast, vibrant, everything there, and then I'm gonna import it back in Blender and use it. For example, for this one, I got it on internet. I liked it, and I found it useful for this car model. So I tweaked some stuff on Photoshop, and then I imported it back on Blender. Some of you may find it hard, but it's not that hard. This technique is much faster and it's easier to use. Like you can spend most of the day like doing this because like you enjoy, like because it's just like, okay, I don't like this image, let me just change it just like that. You can change it rather than like, okay, I'm gonna go like delete this node, delete. Like it's not that I don't like nodes. No, nodes are very powerful and are good to use, but I prefer this method since like most of you guys like wanna learn quick, like you wanna like learn faster. So yeah, if you wanna learn more, just go check Ian Hubert. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Just go check him out. You can learn more there. He even has a Patreon page. You can join his Patreon page. Like he almost like upload almost a week. You can go check him out. Like tracking and see tracking. See like you see I'm placing to the path that I want. Don't mind the symmetry for now. We're still gonna apply a mirror modifier, and then we can move like uh, the faces as loose. Like for now, we try to like create like the texture that we wanna create for this model here. We're just dragging, placing the faces randomly, and we're gonna refine it like later. But for now, is to get the idea. Like you don't need like to spend like most time. You need like to create some sketch. Like you can't just create a building. Like you first like sketch it out so that you have an guidance with, okay, this is what I'm gonna do here. This is what I'm gonna do here. This for now, like, I'm just placing, dragging and dropping, scaling. And also what is important here, just make sure when you scale, like you see there's also like a place where the faces are small, and then on the UV, like you don't need like to scale it too big so that like, because like the texture would show that you need like to try and align even if the face is bigger, but you need like this, like try and align the texture. But yeah, since like we've edited it on back in Photoshop, it's easy, everything works fine. You see I'm just scaling, everything looks perfect. It's just to see, just taking faces and trying to align them in the right position and everything. So this is my render here. I've rendered it in cycles. This is it. If you want it, I'm gonna leave a link on the description. You can download it there, or if you seem like you wanna support me on my channel creating my game, you can join my Patreon page for only $10 monthly. I upload there almost every day. The projects that I work on, I got like libraries, dribbles, and everything. Just go check it out, guys. Thanks for watching.